Daeyoo Tech, Company Limited. Wenzhou is located in the Wenzhou, China. It's covering 19,673 square meters. Registered capital of $4.3 million, the total assets of $15 million. We are one of the large distillation equipment manufacturers in China. Daeyoo provide full services for all kinds of alcohol production, including whiskey, rum, brandy, vodka, gin, fruit wine, beer, and rice wine. We provide one-stop turnkey services for customers from all over the world. From early planning, budget making, design, production, installation, and testing to later operation guidance and after-sales maintenance. We focus on EPC projects and one-stop whiskey solutions and work with foreign technical consultant teams to deliver the best service for you. In December 2015, Daeyoo Company signed a strategic agreement with the well-known Canadian distillers to understand more how to make distilling alcohol. In November 2016, Daeyoo Company get High Honor Award China National High-Tech Enterprises. In January 2017, Daeyoo Company has purchased $3.1 million of modern laser production equipment. At present, Daeyoo distilling equipment technology and quality is one of leading position of Chinese market. And we have CE/PD, ISO 9001, ASME certification. Daeyoo products have been exported to the United States, Europe, Canada, UK, Australia, Russia, Mexico, more than 50 countries and regions. Our mission is to make distillation easier. All functions can be customized. Our vision is, Daeyoo is one of the world's best-known distillation system solutions. Daeyoo technology in 2021 has become one of the world's first-class brewing and distilling equipment enterprises. We wish with our customers to create a better tomorrow together.